Hello, hello, and welcome to the basement. I'm going through records. I am. Oh, and I think there. That was Red Fox. Now, let's see. What else do we have here? There's quite a stack of them. Ooh. Here's one. It's Teresa. But who is Teresa? I don't know. I'm just going to sort here for a moment. So maybe I'll look for Christmassy things. Victor Herbert and his orchestra. All right, hang on. This is Christmassy. This is an orchestra. This is Mantovani and his orchestra. Sandler and Young together. Feelin' groovy. Uh-huh. Well, maybe. I'll keep looking here. What do we have here? Capital. Hang on. Let me put this here. Sandler and Young. And while you're looking at Sandler and Young, hello, I'll try and figure out who Teresa is. Teresa, with vocals directed by Dick Jacobs. Jackpot. Almost everybody knows that Teresa Brewer, the little miss with the big hits, had her first sensational record seller at the age of 16, when her dynamic version of Music sold well over 1 million. While many people may not know, however, is that Miss Brewer made her singing debut at a mature 2 years of age, when she stopped the show on Uncle August Kitty Show in Toledo, Ohio. At the advanced age of 5, she toured with Major Bowes' Amateur Hour. At 12, she was practically a veteran and a featured singer on the Pick and Pat Show. She retired for 4 years and then, of course, bounced back into fame with the ubiquitous Music. Teresa is one of the true phenomena of show business, and one of its most admired and well-liked inhabitants. In private life, as Mrs. Bill Monahan, she is the mother of 3 children, Kathleen, Susan, and Megan. Still in her early 20s, she manages to combine the qualities of home-loving wife and admirable mother with those of a superlative super performer, one of Songdom's most inspired hitmakers. A partial list of her recent successes include Ricochet, Till I Waltz Again with You, Let Me Go Lover, A Tear Fell, A Sweet Old-Fashioned Girl, and Silver Dollar. Together, these have sold more choral records than a Univac calculator could conveniently count. Naturally, Hollywood could not remain unaware of Miss Brewer's assets. Her picture credits include a lead role in Those Redheads from Seattle, where she added fine acting to her apparently limitless bag of talent tricks. It seems as though that when this diminutive and beautiful young lady steps up to the mic, almost anything can happen, and usually does. Let's hear her do that now. Listen to the driving force, the rhythmic verve, and the vocal magnetism that have made Teresa Brewer one of the magic names in music today. Huh. Never heard of her. Never heard of her. But there she is. Teresa. Let's see. So many records. So little time. Let's go back to eBay. Did I get that right? No. 1R. Teresa Brewer. LP. Oh, there's a lot here. Teresa Brewer. Teresa Brewer. I see many things here, but I don't yet see this one. It looks like she did record a great many albums. Teresa Brewer, LP. All right. I'm going to put Teresa Brewer and then Teresa. Hmm. Well, I still don't see this. Oh, there's one. Teresa Brewer, Teresa, 1956 Coral LP. A tear fell. Let me go. $34.29. Plus $28 shipping from the United States of America. Good golly, Miss Molly. Well, I suppose, you know what, I'm going to try something here. Oh, no, 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 no. No falling down. No falling down. I'm going to try. There, we'll shoot a square. There, that works pretty well. We'll shoot a shot of Teresa. And I suppose while I'm doing this, I should make sure that the record is in here, and indeed it is. It's in the plastic, and it looks lovely. Teresa with orchestra. The sweet old-fashioned girl, silver dollar, pledging my love. I gotta go get my baby. Bell-bottom blues. Goodbye, John. And a tear fell, bow weevil, till I waltz again with you. Ricochet. Let me go, lover. The banjo's back in town. A 33 1/3 RPM from Coral Records. Long play. So it is in here. It's in a plastic bag. And perhaps what I will do is try and find a way to play it. And then see if there is a music lover in the world, preferably in the Toronto area, that would like to get it. All right, Teresa. Oh, here. Here's the back of things are falling. Things are sliding. Teresa. Anyway, as you see, I have a rather large pile of records here. Perhaps what I should do, let's see, I was going to try and sort a bit, but I'm not sure. Keyboard Coral. I'm not sure. Who can I turn to? Anthony Newley. Here is Anthony Newley, amazing young creator and star of a fabulous musical. Stop the world, I want to get off. Singing the tunes he and Leslie Breichus composed for a new musical production, The Roar of the Grease Paint. Interesting. Oh, there is no end to what I have found here. Here's another one. Brenda Lee, including I'm Sorry, Sweet Nothings, Weep No More, Baby. Indeedy. Songs of the British Isles. The Norman Luboff Choir. Anyway, I digress. I need to go through these. And at this moment, I'm going to set aside, not that one. There we are. I'm going to set this one, hello, Teresa aside with Red Fox and see about, well, I really need to set up and test them. But anyway, to see about finding them a good home somewhere, hopefully in Canada. Thanks for coming. We'll see what else we can find here. Have a lovely, lovely day. Bye for now. Oh, got to find the little record player.